start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. So I've had a little box turn up from Varnail. Oh happy day, oh happy day. So this is the website, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, pretty things inside. There better be. So let's have a look what we got. Firstly, guys, let me move my light out of the way. Look at the packaging. I love it. Sorry, I'm not going to do any more. Let's just slide it out. Let me move it. When Jesus calls, oh happy day, oh happy day. Right, firstly we have got solid building gel non-sticky hands. So I've done a few videos on this stuff from a few different brands recently. Seems to be quite popular, doesn't it? All this solid building gel that you can use with your fingers, and it's just so quick, so easy. So we've got some from Varnail. Guys, I've got a massive 25% off for Varnail, so make sure you take advantage of that. Don't forget to use codes, guys. So we've got number 3, which is pink, number 1, which is clear, and number 5, which is floral. I have never seen one which is floral. Let's get into this floral. Oh wow, look, it is actually don't touch it with your fingers, guys. It actually is. It's got flowers in it and red gold leaf. What the hell? This is different. Wow, look at this stuff. It actually has got little flowers in there. It's got red gold leaf and little tiny teeny gold strands. I've never seen this solid building gel with like stuff in it. That's so cool. That is so cool. I'm gonna I might swatch it, I'm not sure. Let's just get these others open, see what else is in this box first. Right, so obviously we've got the clear one. It's completely transparent. And then that is the pink one. That's a nice colour pink. Really nice baby pink, isn't it? Right, let's stick them to one side for a moment. Yeah, I've done a few videos recently using these solid building gel stuff. So if you want to go and have a nosy, you'll find them. Right, and they've sent over gel, professional nail gel polish. Show your nails, shine your life. Let's have a look. Oh wow, look at these bottles. Let's have a look. Oh, that's beautiful. Like a baby boomer French fade colour. Got ingredients on the back. Oh, coral blush. So these are colours. Oh wow. Wonder if we can take this plastic out the top. Oh shit! Yeah, you can. Where did it go? It's under my desk somewhere. Where did it go? Oh, it's there. I had it, now it's dropped even further down. Come here. Ouch. Got it. So you can, what you can do with these on the lid, I like this, that you can do it yourself. I'm not going to do it right now, but you get the dog hairs out of it first. You put your gel in there, cure it in the lamp, yeah? And then stick it back on your bottle. Like that. I wonder if they're all like this or if they just forgot with mine. Right, let's see what colours we got. So that's coral blush. Then we've got Cinderella blue. I'm going to swatch these, no point opening them. Rubber pink, ambrosia, morning dew, and charming flower. So let's give them a quick swatch, shall we? I love trying new gel polishes from brands that I've never tried before. I've never tried Varnail gel polish, so let's go. So firstly we've got Charming Flower. Oh, this is nice. It's a red, but it's like a cherry red. Oh, I can tell you straight off the bat, these are them kind of gels that paint like an acrylic paint. Yeah, these are nice. I love gels that go on like this. I can tell from the first swipe of a gel if I like it or not. And yeah, I like this. It's a really good one. Look at that one coat. Yeah, it's like a cherry red. Then we've got Ambrosia. Oh, it's a nice nude. A nice nude. For those of you that know me will know I use these kind of nudes a lot. That's nice, isn't it? Look how opaque and creamy that is. Yeah, that's a nice nude. Very, very nice nude. I like it. Really pale, creamy colour, isn't it? Cool. So I'm curing these in a lamp for 30 seconds. Then we've got Morning Dew. What size are these bottles as well? They're 15ml. So they're a good size. These bottles are adorable. I love it when companies go that just a little bit extra to make it that bit more special, isn't it? Oh, this is a pretty colour. Oh, that's a really pretty colour. As far as greens go, that is a pretty one, isn't it? It almost looks like glow in the dark, doesn't it? It's got that kind of glow in the dark colour, doesn't it? Just had to close my curtains. Can see one of my neighbours across the road. Proper staring in. I should have said, hey. Rubber pink. Oh, this is nice. So this is the same, exact same colour as the pink on the bottle. Perfect French manicure pink, that, isn't it? Whenever you buy like French manicure press-ons from the shop, this is what kind of pink they always are, aren't they? Look, exactly the same colour as the bottle. Exactly the same colour. Cute. Then we've got Coral Blush. I like coral colours. Especially in summer when you've got a tan. I think corals look beautiful. It's my mum's favourite colour, actually. Orange coral. It is a coral. But when I think of coral, I always think of like neon kind of coral. This is more of a toned down, chilled out kind of coral. Very pretty colour. Very pretty colour. Right, lastly, we have got Cinderella Blue. Oh, and it's just a nice, bit darker than a baby blue. It's got a little purple undertone to it, I'd say. Tiny little purple undertone. I like that. I like that a lot. Right, oh, I don't like that dot. What is it? I'm going to have to get that out because it's going to really bug me. Yeah, I've got it. Right, I'm just going to give these a quick top coat. Right, guys, that is them swatched. So from the left, we've got Charming Flower, Ambrosia, Rubber Pink, Cinderella Blue, Morning Dew, and Coral Blush. It's a really, I've never seen a set of 6 with these kind of, look at these. I don't know what it is, but these 2 colours just seem to go. I don't know what it is, but they just look good together, don't they? Them 2 colours. I like them. And this just looks like a regular red on camera, but it's a really, really deep cherry kind of red. It's really nice. And I love the baby pink and the nude as well. They're great for just slapping down on a nail and putting any design on top. That blue again is beautiful. I really like them. These bottles are beautiful. The gold writing, really nice, aren't they? I like them. I will do something with these in another video. I really need to get my nails done. I wanted to give them a rest. Because yeah, they just weren't in good shape. But I definitely want to use some of this stuff on my own nails. So we'll give that a go. Especially this. This is so... I've never seen a solid... Has anybody seen one with flowers in yet like that? So that'll be good fun to use, won't it? They've got these in different colours as well, I think. Like I said, I'll leave all links below. And you can go and check it out. Don't forget, guys, 25% off. If you do order anything, make sure you use all codes that are out there for every different brand. There's codes out there. Make sure you check. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.